Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this episode we will be learning how to remove or delete a friend in Clash of Clans. Whether your friend list is full, inactive, or you just want to clean it up a bit, this is how you can do it. First of all, open the Clash of Clans game on your device and make sure to load your village. Once you're inside your village, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now click on social from the top and then all of your friends will be displayed on the screen. Select a friend you want to delete or remove and tap on their name. In the pop-up, click on Remove Friend. Confirm that you want to remove the friend from your list by clicking on OK, and soon after you click OK, the friend will then be removed from your friend list. The friend will now be deleted from your Clash of Clans friend list and other connected Supercell games. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.